happened?
I ran into the wall. Ow. I'm bleeding. Oh.
May I have the envelope, please?
And the Oscar goes to
Danny! Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a broken nose with a little bit of bruising right under the eye. So if you enjoy this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and ring the little belly bell. Do the dance. So that you get notified whenever we post a new video. We post every Tuesday and Thursdays. Tuesdays makeup, Thursdays special effects. We hope you enjoy this video, and we are going to start. Okay. Firstly, I'm going to use Creative Glamour modeling wax. With this, you make the broken nose, and it is very sticky, so I don't know about you, but I put Vaseline on my fingers just a little bit so that it doesn't get stuck everywhere. Okay. Hello?
Oh no, sorry, I was yawning again.
Oh no. Okay, so you're just gonna make like a little ball with it first. I never even checked if I'm in this video. Like if you can see. I'm pretty sure I am.
Okay.
Let me just check. Okay, first we take our piece of modeling wax. Oh. It's like, no. Okay, and I'm going to put it right on her nose. And then this takes probably like the longest because you need to form the shape you want. So I'm gonna make the shape that it looks like it's a bump on her nose. And you want to get this really flat against the skin so that there's no edges or very few edges. So Danny's storyline is that she was playing with her dogs. And then what happened then?
And I was chasing after the dog, and I hit the wall with my face.
Because that's normal. Because you know, when you get to a wall, you don't stop. I'm not saying stop, I'm saying when you get, never mind.
Yeah.
Okay, so Danny has got a little bit of a bump now. This is a very quick look, so if you want a quick look, like a Halloween look or a birthday look or a dress up party and you don't know what to do, you can buy all these products. It's super inexpensive. It's very well priced, all these things. You should get it at most party stores. If you don't buy the specific brand, you should get it at most party stores. And fake blood also. Okay, so now Danny has a bump on her face. Like it kind of looks like the bone is sticking out or something went wrong. Just turn. As you can see there. And turn that side now. Beautiful! Beautiful! Okay, and just make sure all your edges are smoothed out. You don't want weird crevices and lines. Right, okay, there you go. And now the next step is to make a cut itself on the nose. I'm just going to use a bobby pin. Maybe add some Vaseline to your bobby pin. Like the weirdest thing ever. And just keep doing it until you have the right shape and size. I really hope you don't see that in the video. I can hear Danny blink.
Again?
Always. I can always hear Danny blink for some reason.
So weird.
Don't know why.
I don't even hear myself blink, so it makes no sense.
I hear her blink. Okay, I just quickly want to go wash my hands. Okay. I'm back. Okay, the next step is going to be adding a bit of redness to the scar wax itself, because obviously if you just ran into something and broke your nose, it's not going to be very beautiful. It's not going to be a good sight. So I'm using the Creative Glamour grease paint, and I'm first going to use the red color. So what I like to do is I like to spray some 96% alcohol into the red, so that it's a bit more flowy, and so it's more of a spattered look, if that makes sense.
What?
It is time. Oh, and I did the same thing I did as the bruising makeup, where I cut the sponge into a few pieces. If you haven't watched that video, do it. And the common mistake people make when they do this is that they make under the eye already pitch black or purple, and that won't be happening yet because it's a new bruise, so it will have a little bit of purple because it's a big impact, but it's not immediately going to go to blue, purple, or black.
Yeah.
Okay, with the thin brush you want to go in with the lake or the black color with Creative Glamour into where the cut itself was. This is just staring at me.
No, oh my god, that's weird.
Okay, so now I'm going to go into the cut itself, just to create a little bit of depth. You will put fake blood over this later, so you can add a little bit of red as well if you want to, but the black and the lake colors just to give it a little bit of depth, like I just said. Alright, and next I'm going to go in again under the eyes with a little bit of red, and I will add some bluish colors or purplish colors, but not too much, thank you. Now I'm going to go in with the lake color, also with a little bit of alcohol. Okay, you want to be very sparing with this, you don't want to put too much. Okay, what I like to do now is to take some baby powder. I'm using Johnson's baby powder, and I'm just going to put a bit in my hand, tap it and over the bruise so that it looks like the bruise is coming from underneath the skin and not that it was just stuck on top of the skin. Don't do too much because you will lose some of your detail with this method. So the places where it would be the darkest would be in the insides of the eye over here. So, wrong way. I'm just going to add a little bit like that and like this, and then you're going to blend, 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 blend.
Blend, 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 blend,
Blend,
blend.
blend, 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 blend. Oh, I can hear Danny blinking. It's so disgusting.
You disgusting. Blinking is a normal human being thing, okay?
A normal human being thing.
Yes. I think it is done.
My alcohol's finished. A little bit more baby powder over it. That was not a little, that was a lot. Okay, and now I'm going to also be taking Creative Glamour Stage Blood. The runny type, you also get the blood paste, which has more of a thicker consistency, which I actually have and I need to get.
Why don't you not take it out, darling?
I don't know, darling, I don't know. This is the blood paste. Okay, now with a very thin brush, I'm going to take the blood paste. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And I'm going to put it, first mix it around. And I'm going to put the paste itself where the cut is on the nose. Okay, and then if she knocked her head, it would be likely that she's bleeding from her nose as well. So I'm going to put a little bit of the other blood from... We cannot talk some days.
Some days.
Some days it just doesn't work. Okay, so I'm going to take the stage blood and I'm going to put it by her nostril.
I'm gonna have red boogers.
And this is just because if you knock your nose very hard, it's more than likely that you'll start bleeding out. Okay, I'm not gonna bleed out.
I'm not gonna bleed out. Bleed from your nose.
Okay, this is a very runny consistency, and it gets stringy.
Oh, it tickles! Oh no, it tickles so bad. My eyes are gonna stop from how bad it tickles.
Okay, and I'm gonna do it at the top a little bit as well, so there's a drop, so it looks like it's been running a little bit. Like that. Sorry, it's gonna tickle. The more you move, the worse it is.
Oh, it's so terrible. Oh, ticklish. It tickles.
No, just a little bit over here.
This side isn't as bad.
Really?
I'm not joking.
Alright. On this side, I'm gonna do one more. Like that. Ooh. Other news, I just broke my brush.
She beheaded
Got it.
the brush.
I think I need to glue gun that back together. And what I'm gonna do, last step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit, the remainder of the sponge, and I'm just gonna do a light tap along the nose by the nostril. Flare your nostrils quick. Like that. So it just looks a bit more bruised and sore. And that is how easy it is. This is really a quick look. Like I said, it's about
Around like 20 minutes.
20-minute look. So it's super quick, very easy. All you need is scar wax or modeling wax and blood and a few grease colored paints, or you can even use your eyeshadow if you have. It's just to have a little bit of red and purple. So we really hope you enjoyed this video today, and We will see you in the next video. But first, remember to like, subscribe,
What are you doing?
I'm doing a YouTube triangle, and ring the little notification bell, like that. Ring it. Okay, and now it's time for the montage.